Hi guys, this is Vince Ong, your MegaWorld agent, and if you're wondering what's the most in-demand unit right now in BGC this 2026, I'll show you the one-bedroom unit in Uptown Modern. So let me show you the one-bedroom unit here in Uptown Modern that is 57 square meter. So check natin siya. So upon entering, you would be having your own foyer on this side. So this can be your console where you can fit or put your shoe closet underneath. And dito, pwede ka maglagay ng mirror. And on this part, you would be having an extra room or a maid's room. So washer dryer is included and this can fit a single bed. You would also be having your own toilet and bath. And across your maid's room or extra room is your kitchen. What I like about this one, most of our clients love this because of the open kitchen concept. So lahat ng nakita nyo dito is already included, including the quartz countertop, the kitchen cabinets, sink and faucet, including the kitchen appliances that are all top-of-the-line European brand from Goren Hay. So we have a range hood, 2-zone cooktop, built-in microwave oven, kasama niyan, and the best part, nakatago yung fridge natin. So on the bottom is your freezer. And just across your open kitchen is your 4-seater dining area and dito yung living area natin. So kasama niya yung isang split-type inverter aircon from Daikin and you would be having a balcony access on this part. So maganda kay Uptown Modern, it's already floor-to-ceiling windows. And to add, we have 100% backup power, so meaning wala tayong ma-experience sa power interruption and we also have 10 high-speed elevators. Uptown Modern is also smart home equipped. Lights are smart light switches and we have keycard access on the main door. So this is your toilet and bath that is complete with sanitary fittings by Vilroy & Boch. What you see here is what you'll be getting upon turnover. Mirror, lavatory, water closet, bidet, full glass enclosure, and a rain shower. And the best part is you have an access also from the bedroom area. So this one bedroom starts at around 23 to 25 million and currently we're offering no spot down payment, 6 years payment plan at 0% interest. So this is your master bedroom for the one bedroom. What's included here is your modular closet, sliding na siya, and you have mirrors over here and one split type inverter aircon. If you're looking for other unit types here in Uptown Modern, we also offer studio, 2-bedroom, and a 3-bedroom unit. And to secure your own prime unit, it's only 70,000 pesos to block it under your name. If you would like to have a project presentation, we can schedule a Zoom or a showroom visit here at Uptown Mall. So if you're interested, my contact details are down below. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.